This video will show you how to pair the pagers, how to turn off the pager beep, and how to change the pager beep time. Now this pager number is 16. We can test 16. Press call. Pager number is 16. If we want to change the pager number, we have to use the setup. Now we cannot use the setup. We can disconnect and connect the power. And we press the setup button very fast. It can show F1. Now we cannot use the numbers. We have to use plus and the minus button. When it shows F2, we press confirm. Now we are in F2. We can input a new number like 88. And we pick up the pager. And we press confirm button. The pager number will change. But we have to press the confirm button very fast. Otherwise, it will not work. Now we have to put the pager back to the charger, and we'll do it again. It shows F2, we press confirm, and then we input 88. We pick up the pager, we press confirm. See, now it's number 88, we can test. Go back, number 88, press call. The pager number is 88 now. If we want to change it back to 16, we can repeat the procedure. Disconnect, connect, setup button, plus F2, confirm, 16. Pick up pager, press confirm. See, now the pager number is 16 again. We can test 16. Call. Now we will turn off the pager beep. Still, we have to disconnect, connect, and set up. We go to F4. Shows F4, we press confirm. Now it shows 0. 0 is to turn off the pager beep. We pick up the pager, we press confirm. The pager beeps is successful. We test 16. Call. See, now the pager only shakes and flash, no beep. If we want the pager to beep again, we have to go to F4. Press confirm. Now we are in F4, and we press 3. Number 3 is to make the pager beeps again. Pick up, press confirm. The pager beeps is successful. Now we test number 16. Press call. See, now the pager can beep. Now we will change the pager beep time. We will go to F3. Setup. F1, F2, F3. Confirm. Now it will show a number. We can input a new number like 20. 20 means 20 seconds. If we press confirm, the pager will beep and shake for 20 seconds. See, this is successful. Now the pager will beep and flash for 20 seconds. If we want to change it, still it's F3. We go to F3, show number. We can input a new number like 30. We can change the time from 1 second to 250 seconds. See, now the pager can beep and flash for 30 seconds.